ये होगा मेरे ब्रेक की वजह से आ गए यहाँ पर। ये निहाल ಲ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಹಾಲ್ ಇದು ಡೋರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಡೋರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ Yes. Making the substitutions. So here you will be getting integral 0 to infinity ub e to the power minus u du. Right? Yes. Okay, here b is a constant that you can take it outside. Integral 0 to infinity u into e to the power minus u with respect to u, you have to integrate. So in the next step, what you can write? So integrate using integral by parts. B it will be there outside the integral. U into e to the power minus u by minus 1 minus of integral in differentiation of the first term will be 1. Whatever the integration that you have done, copy this e to the power minus u by minus 1 with respect to u. So in the next step, so here that will be b into minus u e to the power minus u, minus into minus is plus. Integral of e to the power minus u is e to the power minus u by minus 1 with the integral range u is equal to 0 to infinity. So substituting the limits. So what we get? So substituting the limits here. Suppose if you substitute the upper limit, so b will be there here. So e to the power minus infinity, so that will be nothing but 0. Here also e to the power minus infinity will be there. So 1 by infinity will be 0. So next, when you substitute the lower limit, so if the first term will be 0. So when you substitute 0 here, e to the power minus 0 or e to the power 0, that will be 1. And here minus sign will be there. So minus into minus. So when you substitute the lower limit, so minus of, you will be writing this term, right? So when you substitute u is equal to 0, so that will be equal to plus 1. So the answer is B. That is nothing but it is the value for the square of the random variable r. So now using this, we can calculate the sigma r square using the equation or the relation expectation of r square minus mu r square. So which is equal to expectation of r square is b, that is nothing but b square, and mu r we have obtained as mu r, it was calculated as how much? Root of so root of pi b by 4. So you can go with this derivation, root of pi b by 4. So now replacing mu r square by root of pi b by 4 will be simply getting pi b by 4. So this can be written in somewhat standard form. So here in the next step you can rewrite this equation for sigma r square as, so b by 4 can be taken outside. So when it is taken outside, so within the bracket you will get 4 minus pi. So if you multiply once again, you will be getting this answer. So this is the derivation for the sigma r square for the Rayleigh random variable. Yes. X, one more problem is there. Some more problems are there. You join me at 5 p.m. today so that we'll complete the problems on the expectation and we'll wind up the topic on expectation. And in the next class, we can start with a new topic, characteristic function. Okay. So now, as of now, we are going to end up this meeting. So here today evening 5 p.m. join me with the class so that we can complete the problems on the expectation and we'll start up with the next topic, characteristic function. Thank you.